What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen here with another episode. Today what we're going to be doing is pickling some red onion. You know when you bite into an onion and you're just like,
dude, the flavor's too strong for my delicate palate, dude. Dude, that was pretty strong, man.
Both of those problems will be solved when you introduce these red onions to the pickling liquid, vinegar and sugar. It eliminates all of that harsh onion flavor. It's gonna be real nice right there, all right. Here's what you need to get started pickling your red onion.
We're gonna get you started by cutting the root and the stem of the onion. Cut it kinda in half and cut it root to stem to get your moon-shaped pieces. They should all be uniform, just like this. And get yourself a medium saucepan. Pour about 2 cups of vinegar and equal parts water into your pot. Add a nice handful of salt and a tablespoon of sugar. Stir the mixture over medium heat. Put those onions in a bowl, and when your mixture is at a vigorous boil, pour it right on top of those onions. Woo! Go ahead and put those onions in a fridge-safe container, pour the liquid in there, and put them in the fridge for 24 hours.
We're ready to take a look at our finished product. Your pickling liquid should be bright pink. Your onion should be matching that bright pink color as well. This is why these pickled onions are the best on literally everything. They add a nice crunch, they add a nice zip, and they add nice color to your favorite dishes. Here's what the onions look like after they're done. They are bright pink. Let's dive into one. Wow, woo. Nice and zippy. This is something everyone should try out, and it's real nice right there, all right? And you already know what they say. You can do it in Mark's kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.